Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Authenticator app for Facebook. And if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, open your browser and search for facebook.com. And once you've done that, just go ahead and sign in your account. And once you're signed in, click on your profile photo at the upper right corner of your screen and go to Settings and Privacy. Now go to Settings. So once you're here on Settings, just go ahead and click on this Account Center section right here. Okay, so let's just wait. So now once we are here on the Account Center section, just go ahead and go to Password and Security. Now go click on Two-Factor Authentication. Then select the account where you want to use Google Authenticator. And then now you need to enter your password. So let's just go ahead and do that real quick. So now once you've entered your password, just go ahead and select this one. So what you need to do is to install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Okay, so once you've done that, just go ahead and click on Next. And then now just go ahead and launch the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device and scan this QR code. Okay, but if you cannot scan this, just go ahead and copy this key and open the Authenticator app, and you should be able to see a text box where you can or where you should paste this key. Okay, now once you've done that, you should be able to get a 6-digit code. And once you have the 6-digit code, just go ahead and type it right here and then click on Next. Okay, so once you've done that, you should be able to use Google Authenticator app on your Facebook account. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!